How to increase Instagram followers and likes on 2021. Genuine tricks and 100% working tricks. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please do hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can increase your genuine and real followers on Instagram, and also you can get free likes on Instagram. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, you can see here I have only 11 followers, and then if you want to increase the followers, watch the video till the end. So guys, what you need to do, you have to go to your browser, any of the browser. Let me just go to Chrome browser here. So let me just go to my Chrome browser, and then here, after going to this Chrome browser, here you can see search bar. Simply tap on the search bar, and then here you have to search for social social gauge app. Okay, so now here you have to search it SOCILGAGEABB. Now here on the first interface, this type of interface will pop up. Simply tap on this interface. Now guys, here this type of interface will pop up. You have to just scroll down for some seconds, 3 or 4 seconds. Just scroll up and down here, and then here on the bottom you'll find this type of interface. First of all, complete the human verification for the click, and I'm not rabbit, so just click here, and then here you can see it will take a few moments to load, and then here what you need to do here, just click on download. So you have to wait for a while. It depends upon the network that you are using. So this type of interface will pop up. So here you can see downloading, so wait until it gets downloaded. So here you can see you can just scroll the apps for some time. Just scroll up and down. So guys, here you can see this type of interface will pop up. This type of file, you can just click on OK option, and then it's on a downloading process. You can see here downloading file. So simply you have to wait for some times. So let me just click on details, and then here you can see it's on a downloading process. So it depends upon the network. So until we wait for the download, please do hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So guys, you can see here it's successfully downloaded. Let me just click here and then install this application. Just click on install, and then wait for a second. So it's done. So now what you need to do, just click on open option here, and then here this type of interface will be pop up. Verify that you are not a robot. Write the following number in the box. So just you need to write the same number here, 30325. Now click on done and click on login. So here this type of interface will be pop up. So what you need to do here to get the real likes and followers on your Instagram, you just need to watch the video till the end. You can see here this type of interface will pop up. So now here what you need to do, first of all, make one fake account from your from someone's number or from your home number. So you can just create one fake account of Instagram, and then I have successfully created a fake account. So let me just get inside my fake account here. Okay, and okay, done, and then click on login. So you can see here it's on in process. So I have successfully logged in, and click on not now, and this is my account. I have successfully logged in into my fake account. So here you have to wait until it gets loaded. This type of interface will be pop up. So as you can see here, I have 30 coins. So what you need to do here, you have to increase some coins. So how to get these free coins, you just need to click from likes or from followers. So just go for from likes, and then here you can see it will take a few moments to increase your coins. So just click here. You can see you can get 1 coin if you click here. Just wait for a while. You can see here I have successfully got one coin, and if you want to if you want to get automatic likes, if you want to give automatic likes, simply click on this. You have to just go for 6 seconds and then click on this automatic likes. Okay, so just simply tap here and wait for a second. You just watch here. You can see here 32 likes. Again, you can again click here. You can see here 33 coins. So just go for a second, 6 seconds, and then you can see here my coins is increasing. So just wait for some time after clicking to automatic follow up. So just wait for some times, it will automatically increase your coins. So guys, you can see here I have successfully got 100 coins. So let me just go back here, and after going back here, this is the fake account that I have um, that I had logged in. So if you wanna get your followers on a real account, just scroll down here, and then here you can see followers. So let me just show you to my real account here. This is my real account. So let me just go here, and then here you can see I don't have any sorry, this is not the one, this is the fake account. So let me just go to my real Instagram account. So here you can see here I have 11 followers. So just click on edit profile, and then you have to select the username here. So let me just select the username from here. So let me just select the username. Okay, you have to copy this username, and then after this go back to this page. Now you have to select the particular username to which account you want to increase the followers. Simply tap on followers. Okay, and then here what you have to do here, you can see here, scroll down here, you can see 100 coin, 25 followers. Simply tap here, and then you have to wait for some times. So it's done. So let me just go back to this. There was only 11 followers, and then just wait for some time. You can see here I have successfully got so many followers in this account. So let me just refresh it. You can see here 23 followers. So guys, in this way you can get the followers on Instagram. I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. See you soon on the next video.